Welcome back to the channel. If you've landed here, chances are you're looking for a hosting or coupon code before making a purchase, and that's a smart move. Now, you might have already come across a 10% discount code somewhere on the internet, and while that's better than nothing, why settle for less when you can actually get 20% off? I put together an exclusive coupon link that automatically applies a 20% discount at checkout. The best part, it works for all countries in your local currency and language. So no matter where you're buying from, you're covered. Simply click the link I provided and you'll land directly on Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, head over to the navbar and click on products and services. You'll find all of Hostinger's offerings laid out for you: cloud hosting, web hosting, website builder, and even Hostinger business email. For this walkthrough, I'm going to demonstrate with Hostinger's VPS hosting plans. You'll see options like KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm selecting the KVM2 plan, and just like that, boom, the 20% discount is automatically applied right at checkout. No manual code entry needed. One quick tip before you go: always try to use a fresh email address that hasn't been previously registered with Hostinger. This ensures the discount applies without any issues. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. Now go grab that deal.